Hello everyone, this is the first part of the video tutorial how to knit a sweater. In this video, I'll show you how to work front and back body parts. Complete details about the project are available at interuni.com/knitsweater. On this webpage you may share pictures of your work and ask questions if any. Begin knitting from the bottom to top. Cast on 64 stitches or any other number of stitches. First row, put the yarn in front of your work, slip the very first stitch, slide the stitch from the left needle to the right one without knitting it. Then purl with 2 loops. Insert the needle from the right side, wrap the yarn twice around the needle and pull it through. You should have 2 loops on your needle. Purl with 2 loops to end of the row. Again, wrap the yarn twice and pull it through. You may use other way. Also, insert the needle from the right side, wrap the yarn twice, and then pull it through. Also 2 loops on the needle. Choose the way which is easier for you. Second row. Make the loop longer, then knit it. Knit all stitches to end. Third row. Slip the very first stitch and then purl all stitches to end. Fourth row, again, slip the first stitch and knit all stitches to end. Now alternate row 3 and row 4 until you knit 12 rows. Slip 1 stitch and purl all stitches to end. Again, for one half of your sweater, use 64 stitches. For the first row, purl all stitches with 2 loops, then just alternate knit and purl rows for 11 rows. After the 12 rows, repeat the pattern starting from the first row. So again, row 13, purl all stitches with 2 loops. Again, after the first 12 rows, repeat the pattern starting from the row 1. So work your row 13 as your first row 14 as your second row, and so on. When you knit to about your waistline, decrease 2 stitches, 1 stitch on each side. Slip 1 stitch, then knit 1 stitch, and knit 2 stitches together to decrease 1 stitch. Then knit all stitches to your last 4 stitches and then again decrease 1 stitch. Again decrease 1 stitch and knit 2. Then just repeat the pattern without decreasing stitches. When you repeat the 12 row pattern about 10 times, begin knitting front shoulder parts. Use 16 stitches for each front shoulder part and continue working the pattern. For the first front shoulder part, slip the very first stitch and then purl 15 stitches with 2 loops, then turn. And now just knit all stitches. Knit the second front shoulder piece totally the same as the first one. For the second front shoulder piece, use also 16 stitches, attach the yarn and work the 12-row pattern. Knit the back part totally the same as your front one, but work 11 repeats instead of 10. For each back shoulder part, use also 16 stitches and work just one row. In the second part of the video tutorial, I'll show you how to join shoulder parts, knit and join sleeves into the body, and finish up the project.